Ever wondered how to tackle those pesky makeup problems that seem to turn a simple routine into a daunting task? Or perhaps you've heard of smart mirrors but aren't quite sure how to incorporate them into your beauty regime. Well, worry no more. Today, we're diving into a step-by-step makeup tutorial using a smart mirror, so sit back, relax, and prepare to revolutionize your makeup game. First off, a smart mirror isn't just a mirror. It's a high-tech tool that can analyze your skin, give product recommendations, and even provide step-by-step tutorials. With a smart mirror, you're not just looking at your reflection, you're getting a personalized beauty consultation. Let's kick things off with a clean canvas. Rinse your face with warm water, apply a gentle cleanser and pat dry. Your smart mirror can analyze your skin type and suggest the best cleanser for you. Next up, moisturizer. Again, your smart mirror is there to help, recommending the perfect product for your skin type and current weather conditions. Once your skin is prepped and primed, it's time for foundation. The smart mirror's high-definition camera and advanced software can help you find the perfect shade. No more guesswork, no more mismatched tones. Now, let's move on to the eyes. Whether you're going for a subtle daytime look or a dramatic evening style, your smart mirror can guide you. It can suggest color palettes based on your skin tone, eye color, and outfit. And with its step-by-step tutorials, you'll master the art of the perfect smoky eye or cat eye flick in no time. The same goes for your lips. The smart mirror can suggest the perfect shade to match your look and can even guide you in applying lipstick like a pro. Finally, to set your makeup and ensure it lasts all day, your smart mirror will recommend the ideal setting spray or powder for your skin type and the look you're going for. So, there you have it. A step-by-step guide to creating the perfect makeup look with the help of a smart mirror. But that's not all. The benefits of a smart mirror extend beyond just makeup application. It can analyze your skin over time, track changes, and suggest skincare routines to keep your skin at its best. In summary, with a smart mirror, you get the perfect makeup assistant and a personalized skincare consultant all in one. It takes the guesswork out of beauty, making your routine quicker, easier, and more effective. So why not give it a try and see the difference it can make in your beauty regime?